Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this stunning 2017 Audi TT S Line. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol turbo engine and the S-tronic automatic gearbox. The car's also equipped with the Quattro 4-wheel drive system and produces 227 brake horsepower, and while still returning up to 42 miles per gallon. The insurance group is 37 and the car's covered just over 28,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Mythos Black and it's in good condition for your mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the gorgeous TT interior there, really nice to be in. The seats, being the S Line, are the sports seats which are half leather and suede, really supportive. And then the front passengers have a armrest and a cup holder there in the centre. Onto the dashboard on the TT, if I just lean in, you've got the clever air vents there with the temperature controls in the centre. And then you've got the virtual cockpit display there for your DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. And this car also has cruise control just down there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and front window controls. For a coupe, it's quite surprising how big the boot is. So we've got the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf is still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have a bit of extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit and first aid kit there, for example. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the grey 19-inch twin spoke alloys, the really nice twin exhaust there, and also the adjustable spoiler, which you can adjust to go up and down. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car up to 5 years with no deposit. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.